Hello, good afternoon, dear prospective employer. I am Elvira National from Philippines. Currently, I am in Philippines. Before, I worked in Singapore as a domestic helper for 15 years, since 2008 until last year, 2023. And now, I'm currently here in Philippines. Let me introduce myself. I am very good in Western cooking, also Chinese food, Asian food, and also I am very good in taking care of kids and fun also. And also I can do by myself marketing, I can do house cleaning, I can do laundry, and most especially, I can manage myself how to work alone, taking care of kids, and cooking for the family. And now, I'm planning to apply in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. Looking forward to have a job and get a job and get employer soon in Hong Kong. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.